Well, hello everybody. I thought I should just do a quick follow-up to my 50-year-old guitar restoration or makeover, because as you will know, in the last episode I made a rather silly mistake and I put the tuners on the wrong way round. Now, I've always said with this channel, you get warts and all, so you get all my mistakes, and I do make a lot of them, unfortunately. But I have corrected that mistake, and since shooting that video I've made a few more tweaks, and so I thought I would just show you the guitar in its final version, if you like. It is going to take a while because I know necks bend over time, and so there will be some adjustment later on. But it's playing really nicely, and I've managed to get it fully intonated as well, so I'm really pleased with that. I also remembered to put in the side dots, which I'd forgotten to do. So let's have a quick look at this guitar. So coming down to the saddle here, I've actually lowered the saddle by probably about a 1.5 mil, because it was a little bit too high, the action was a bit too high. And I've also just adjusted the saddle here just to intonate that G string, just take it back a little bit. But otherwise everything else is going fine with that. On this end you will see that I now have the tuners in the right way round. Meant drilling some holes, and it meant filling a couple of holes, but yeah, it's okay, and there's not a problem with that really. I've got the side dots in, little black dots there, just so I can see where I am, and I've managed to get the action really nice and low. You can see that it is really low. Certainly a lot lower than I could ever get it before. And well, it sounds really nice. I'm sure it's much deeper than it was originally. I'm going to do a proper demo in another video, but yeah, I hope that gives you a gist of the sound. So really, to sum up that series, it was definitely worth repairing this guitar, even though it is made of plywood, and there was some concerns about whether the tone would be really dead because of that, but it's got a nice tone to it. I mean, it wasn't an expensive guitar when it was bought, but it's nice to breathe new life into these instruments. And I'm actually working on another guitar, which I'm going to put out as a full video as my summer special, which is a sort of similar thing, a vintage guitar, which just needs some TLC, as it were. So I hope this inspires you to go and dig around in the garage and the loft and find that old guitar, get it down, clean it up, see if there's anything wrong with it, but yeah, put some strings on it and have a go. I'll see you soon. Cheers.